Well, what's an odd number? The concept of oddness comes from the observation that sometimes when you have a bunch of things, everything you have can be paired up. But sometimes that can't happen. Now, when it's possible, when you can pair everything up that you have, it is said that the number of things you have is even. If you can't do that, then the number of things you have is odd. Now, what this means is that the number of objects in an even group is equal to 2 times n, where n is just the number of whole pairs that you have. So n is any whole number. N could be, for example, 50, giving us the even number of 100, which is also the number of legs centipedes have. Or is it? Centa 100, pede feet. Having 100 legs is right there in the name. But it's only approximate. Centipedes have been observed to have anywhere from 30 to 345 legs. Now, 100 falls pretty nicely in that range. But every pair of legs on a centipede is attached to a body segment, which means that in order to have 100 legs, a centipede would need to have 50 body segments. But not a single species of centipede has an even number of body segments. 50 segments is nowhere to be found in the library of centipede genomes. So, while centipedes, on average, have a number of legs quite close to 100, they never naturally have exactly 100. Point is, 2n is the mathematical way to spell even. If I add just one more thing, the amount I have is no longer even, it's odd. If I add yet another thing, I've added another pair, n has gone up by 1, and the number is even again. This means that an even number plus just one more will always be odd. Now that we know how to mathematically spell odd and even, we can move on to moving.